Ray Sean. Hi.
Yo, Sean. You're Mr. Kingston.
What's the next one? Stone.
Hey, your last name sounds like Trojan, aka a condom.
Larissa Major. Major's
Why are you still sticking up, bro?
I like your last name. Christina Brown.
I love your car. Time to get in my car.
David Roberts.
I don't know you, but
I can't. Oh.
Bridget. Click on the wrong one. Bridget. We play softball together.
Bobby.
You're pretty.
You're nice. Sedona.
I miss you. You're my best friend.
Danielle.
Danielle, you've been in a lot of drama. But I haven't really talked to you in like a long time. I don't know if we're still friends or not. Yeah, but you're pretty. Jamie Wright. Oh, Carrie just like my status. Carrie, you're very pretty. You and Josh are the cutest couple ever, I swear. I wish me and Josh were a couple like that. I mean, seriously. We just argue and argue. I'm just gonna tell you about our problems, you know?
Shane. Let's not talk about your problem.
Shane, you dated Paige. Yeah.
Luceria Golly.
I don't know you, so bye.
Ricky.
Deja vu.
No.
But anyway, Ricky, you're a ladies man. Keep it going.
Jordan, do you know her?
No.
Oh, sorry.
Jordan Strickland, I don't know you, but hey. Kevin Brooks, I hear about you. A lot about you, actually. Kelsey King, I don't know you. Kinley, Ada, Hart, Heatherly, I don't know you either, but hey. I guess this is our video.
Yeah, this is the fourth time.
Fourth time we did this, and we haven't even uploaded it yet.
Yeah. Well, we did the one up, but anyway.
We got a hair did. See? Black underneath.
Oh, wrong side again.
And then the brown, and then the purple
Anyways.
somewhere.
Hey, shout out to you.
Now, we're going to make a video of Lissa eating cinnamon.
Cinnamon child.
Let's end this video.